Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is DJ and DJ.
Hi.
We're about to bring you the most expensive, best trip at the Walmart price you can ever imagine in Zanzibar. Ain't that right, D?
That's right, DJ. I am cordially inviting you to our Zanzibar trip. 8 days, 7 nights in the best destination of the world. And you can actually look that up. So, we will be going to Zanzibar for 8 days and 7 nights. It is going to be amazing fun. We are going to have excursions. We're going to visit the properties. We are going to go to the beaches. We're going to eat some wonderful food. And we would like to invite you to join us on our trip beginning August 21st in Zanzibar, Tanzania. And it's 8 days and 7 nights. Hit the link below to join us now.